So you're stuck at home, week of Black Friday, bored out of your mind, don't really know what to do with yourself. No one knows what's going on. Who knows when normal will be a normal again? So, you're playing games all day, you sat in front of your TV in your underpants. You decide to start streaming it. You think, it's going to be more fun if I've got an audience to interact with. My friends who aren't able to play can watch and talk to me at the same time. What harm's it going to do? You're playing the games anyway. Why not? We've got Cat. Hi, Cat. So you've got the usual friends and family watching. The people you play with all the time. Anyone you can share it to on your personal Facebook have come over and they've said to you, all right, we'll give you a watch for half an hour. But that's not guaranteed. They're not going to continue watching you. You'll soon see them start to drop off. Doesn't matter how many times you share it on your Facebook, post on Twitter that you're going live, put on your Instagram to all your friends. Gonna do this. They're gonna drop off because 9 times out of 10, they don't really care. So you're a few streams in, someone else has jumped in, someone you don't know. They've found you, whether they've searched you, you've seen it shared on Facebook, whatever. You don't know who they are. They've come in and they're chatting. They're in your chat, they're saying, hey, commenting on what you're doing. You've got a little conversation going with them. It's exciting. It's your first real interaction with someone who you don't know on the internet as a streamer. So go you, well done. But where do you go from here? Do you continue doing that? Just streaming to whoever wants to come in, your friends, your family, if they'll come back. The random odd people that manage to find you somehow and jump in and stick around for an hour or so. Or do you decide you want to try and push yourself? You've got some free time at the minute maybe. You think, okay, let me see what I can do with this. I'm going to start streaming a bit more often. I'm going to get a schedule ready. I'm going to stick to that schedule and see if I can build something worthwhile. Get my own following, build a community, and carry that forwards into whatever it may be. Maybe even make a couple of spare pounds before Christmas. After Christmas, who knows? It's beer money, who cares? Spend it at the pub. One of the most asked questions around streaming for people who are just starting or people who already got a small following and want to take it forwards is that, how do I grow? How do I progress? What do I need? Should I buy the latest thing? Should I buy followers? Should I pay people to come and watch? Who knows? All these questions are always being asked. Nobody wants to stream to 0 viewers. It's boring for you, it's boring for anyone that might drop past, because they'll see no one else is here. They'll probably think you're not that interesting. You sat there just playing away, not talking, not doing anything. It's not interesting. You're never going to keep any viewership doing that. So you need to get people in. Whoever that is, you need at least a few people in there, hopefully active in chat, to keep you interested in it as much as they're interested in you. So if you're anything like me, you've probably been at that point where you've thought, I'm streaming to no one. What do I do? How do I grow? How do I bring people to my stream? You turn to YouTube. There's 1,001 videos on there. How do I grow my stream? How do I get new followers on Twitch? How to get to your first 1,000 viewers on Twitch, your first 1,000 subs on YouTube. How do you do anything? YouTube's a wonderful place full of wonderful ideas. There's a lot of information to try and process. Not all of it is good. The problem with most of these videos is that they're by people who are already established, already have a following and a brand. We all want to get there. We all want 1,000 live viewers on Twitch. We all want 100,000 subs on YouTube. Realistically, that's going to take a lot of time, a lot of effort. And who knows, you might blow up overnight. It might take you 10 years. Who knows? The problem with the tips that they give you is that they were using them 5 years ago, 6 years ago, 2 years ago, 6 months ago. The internet changes so fast, you never really know what's going to work at what time, how it will work, how you should do it, how you should broadcast yourself. It's all a game of trial and error. So my question, and I'm sure your question, is which of these tips and tricks actually work? Which of them are going to help you gain viewers, gain YouTube subscribers, help you make better content, and help you further yourself within the world of broadcasting. So currently I've got about 160 followers on Twitch, all of which are subscribers. Next to no subscribers on YouTube, but I've only posted one video. This will be the second video on the channel, so I'm not really expecting much from that. My Instagram's on around 100 followers. My social media for the channel, that is my personal one, is irrelevant, and my Twitter's got around 70 followers. So I'm going to show you my Twitch analytics now from the point of beginning. I've literally just made affiliate. I haven't streamed for a few days, so everything's pretty flat right now. What I'm going to do is write a list of all the tips and tricks that I think should work, in my head should work, and I think I can implement quite easily into what I do, how I do things, the content I make, etc. We're going to give it some time and see which ones actually do anything. I'm going to try and get as many as I can in the videos. I'm going to try and document as much of it as I can and see where we go. So here we are. This is the Twitch analytics or channel analytics page. If you've got a Twitch account, you've probably been here. You've probably had a look around this, and just to investigate how you're doing, who's coming over, etc, etc. So we're going to use this as a bit of a comparison for when we make changes to my channel to see how they affect things. So current average viewers 3.1, 197 follows, 5 subscribers, 73 hours and 14 minutes total streamed. So you can see I've set this to show back from when I first started streaming, so the 28th of September, 1 average viewer. I was streaming quite a lot at that point. This was when I was first into not really doing much at work, so as you can see I was doing a lot of streaming. As of late I've done nowhere near as much streaming. I've had quite a bit of time off while I've been doing other things, bits and pieces, so the average viewers on these are quite low, down to 1, 2, which is down quite a bit, but let's see what we can do to improve on that. So if you want to come and see the changes I make to my stream, I usually stream Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. Yeah, pop in, link will be in the description below.